Hi, my name is Natalie, and you are watching TexanTV.
Good morning, Texans. Only 13 days of school left. Go Texans.
Texans, the Texan TV application is closing Friday, May 8th. Make sure to apply soon.
Here we have the yearbook. It is based off season 5 of Stranger Things, which came out this year.
What inspired us to do this theme is specifically because of how it's a very trendy season for Netflix, and we thought that most of the students of class of 2026 and everybody else would relate to how it's very interesting, per se.
It is retro themed, 90s themed, as Stranger Things is.
I really hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah.
Texans, good news. You may pick up your yearbook starting today in the cafeteria. Other pickup times are before and after schools in room 1502. Look at the flyer for more details. Thank you.
Estoy afuera, pero digan que yo me muero. Hermoso cariño, hermoso
Attention Texans, summer school registration is now open. If you would like to sign up to make up credits or take an accelerated course, please fill out the summer school interested form. The link was sent to your school email. Your counselor will reach out to you for that conversation and official registration. Summer school is at Arlington High School this year. The deadline for summer school registration is May 15. Your counselors thank you for attending this matter.
Texans, senior breakfast tickets are now being sold in room 427 for $5, or you must pay $7 at the door on May 8th. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Miss Smith, and I am the dance teacher here at Sam Houston High, and I'm also the assistant drill team director and step team coach. This will be my 6th year teaching here at Sam Houston, and this is also the same place where I first started teaching as well. So some challenges that I face while teaching, I usually get kids, for the most part, that have never danced before a day in their life. And this is a good thing for me because I get to teach them their first steps in dance, and a lot of times they may be super shy or they're very timid and all, and so I'm able to help them build their confidence. When there's like a time where we have like bonding moments with the children, it can be at a social event or maybe during our class time when we're dancing. Sometimes we have like super funny moments where we kind of goof off a little bit, and it just kind of helps push us along in our dance class or just through our practices. My future goal right now is to grow our STEP team program. This is our second year right now, and right now we have a good 5 of us at the moment. So eventually I would like for them to grow in numbers and also do more performances and also competitions and things like that. I am a very patient teacher, I feel like, and while we may have like fun and stuff like that, I also want them to learn how to focus in class too. So it's a balance of patience, having fun, and then also making sure we get things done in here. And I would say with Texans and STEP, a little bit different because we're like more stricter on them with higher expectations of being on the team and all. So we have so much to offer in our dance department. We have our Dance 1 classes, and after that you can go into Dance 2, 3, and 4 if you still want to do that. We also have Ballet Folklorico, that is a class, and they also have performance opportunities. And we also started a new class called Spirit Teams. That's a class that I teach. If you're interested in joining Texans or even cheer, that's a place where you can come and get trained by me so you can prepare yourself for tryouts that do happen in January and February area. I think a lot of times doing this job, again, we get so many kids that have never danced in their lives, and it's really great to see where they started and where they end up. A lot of times we'll have kids that don't know left from their right yet or whatever, and so we teach them from day one how to do all the things, and it's really cool to see a kid that has never done anything, and now after they have graduated from us, they are able to do a dance at a college dance team and all.
Seniors, did you know the prom photo booth includes 10 professional photos per person? You can take pictures solo, with your date, or with friends, all with fun, stylish backdrops. Between the red carpet photos, themed backdrops, and your 10 take-home photos, this alone makes prom worth it. Don't wait. Ticket prices increase from $75 to $90 on May 2nd.
We are proud to announce that 6 of our outstanding junior students have been selected to participate in UTA's Quest for Community Summer Program this July. Nevaeh Queen, Daniel Sotelo, Victoria Isabor, Yarelis Alvarenga, Aaron Davila, and Damon Woolfolk. This selective program offers a free immersive college experience while earning college credit and participating in exciting educational field trips. Congratulations for this incredible achievement, Texans.
Hello, who am I here with?
Fernanda, Erich, Janelli,
Sebastian Tintori.
Which teacher do you appreciate the most and why?
Miss Sullivan. She's super chill. She teaches Spanish.
I'd say Mr. Castellano, a 9th grader. He teaches English because he had believed in me since day one.
I appreciate Mr. Bailash and Miss Edley. I think they're really good teachers. Like, they know how to teach, and like they're just like cool. Like, you know.
I gotta say Miss Tucker, because she's just the GOAT. She help out a lot, especially through thick and thin. You feel me?
What's your favorite memory you've had with a teacher?
We ordered food and it was so good.
I'm not gonna lie,
You know
none.
That's mine.
But probably like the best memories I've had was probably with my my sophomore year English teacher, which would be Miss Coreño, and my old chemistry teacher,
Mr. Aoki.
Just joking around with Miss Tucker.
Miss Tucker seemed chill.
Miss Tucker, she chill. Hey, if y'all know Miss Tucker, y'all know. Y'all know Miss Tucker, y'all know.
And do you think teachers deserve higher pay?
Yeah, they don't be getting paid for that.
I'd say yes because they do really good at their job trying to get students to, to have better education.
Yes, bro. Like they need to make some money and like they need more money and like more money. Please pay them more. Give them a raise.
Hey, I think just Miss Tucker. I ain't gonna lie.
And I heard both people got the police card. Cool. Raise your hand. Police colors received. Wow. Can you guys stand up? Congratulations. I was also police color. And how I got into AVID.
So you got to find a way to accomplish the things that you're going to accomplish, because a lot of you are right. Not all of them, a lot of you, but all of you have bright future today. Very bright future.
Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you!
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh! Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
Am I feeling appreciated? Now I am, yeah. Well, thank you very much. All right. Okay, thank you. Oh, this is what it says. Thank you. Wow. Yes, I know. Apparently it didn't come from you.
Oh, let me give it to you right now. Appreciate you, twin. You the GOAT.
Yeah, that's great. Thanks.
80 Robux right there.
Wow, I do play that. I don't play that.
Hi, my name is Natalie, and you've been watching TexanTV.
Oh,